Thank you. Okay. Are you watching? Okay. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking all about the H&M and Mugler collection. So, and if you are new to my channel, At Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button so y'all could chill with the most high king. Anyways, is everything okay? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this boy. Okay, is it recording? Yep. Okay. Anyways, if you have not hit the bell button, please hit that bell button so you can get notified when I do post new content. And of course, check out my Instagram, Nancy_new, where I do post a lot more content, where I am currently doing a shop my closet sale right now. So go check out my Instagram. If there are clothes you do like, let me know and I'll let you know if I'm selling it or not, you know. And also check my Insta story because I do post clothes I want to sell on there. Yeah, I'm selling more clothes. I'm not selling any of my bags. No. And I'm not really selling any shoes, just clothes. Anyways, let's get started. So this is the H&M Mugler collection, and I'm so excited because I actually wanted to get my hands on this badly. And things were sold out so fast on the website. And yeah, I was able to get my hands on 3 items. One of the items, you know, it's not in this box because I had to return it. It's right here. It's the green runch dress. It's lime green. It's right there on the video. So this dress, I got it in a large, even though I do wear a medium, but I got a large because I wanted it badly and they did not have it in my size. Initially I had the medium in my cart, and all of a sudden when I was about to check out, it sold out. So I decided to get the large, hoping I could maybe work with the large. But as you can see in this video, whew, the large was extremely big on me. And the version was fine, but I just feel as though as the fabric wasn't, what would I say, the fabric felt cheap. And like this particular item I just did not like, you know. And I feel as though as this item was about $129, and to me, was it really worth it? No, because I have bought other items that are non-designers that are $120 that feel as though as it was well made, just because the fabric felt really like flimsy. To be honest, it felt very light. If you do look at this video, you could probably even see my shaper underneath it because that was how thin the fabric was. So this item I would not really recommend. For those of you who want to still go ahead and, you know, purchase it, you know, I did like the long sleeve. I did like that the fact that the sleeves came down to like right here, and you could actually put your thumbs through it. So I did like that about the dress. And then as you can see, the dress has a side zipper on the side to get in it, and it has a side zipper on the neck. So wearing the dress was kind of like complicated because I had to keep trying to adjust it to see how it fits on my body. So if you don't have your makeup on, get ready for your makeup to kind of get smeared on the neck, because of course when we do wear our makeup, we do our neck to, or at least our jaw, and because it goes up there, will probably get dirty, you know. So it's actually weird to wear. So trying to wear this green dress took me like a good 5 minutes because it was kind of complicated. So anyways, that particular outfit I had to send back because it was a large, it did not fit, and just look at it on my body, like it did not look flattering, you know. And when you do buy clothes, you do want it to look really good on you. So if it doesn't flatter my shape or my body, I'm not keeping it, you know. If it wasn't a large and the fabric probably wasn't so thin, maybe I would have kept it. Maybe I would have taken it to my seamstress to get it adjusted or altered to fit my body shape. But the fabric was just not given, you know. I mean, I know it's H&M, but I just feel as though they would have actually put in more effort with the fabric of this outfit. So anyways, let me go to the next outfit. So the next outfit was these H&M Mugler tights. So these are the star tights. So it has stars all over it, and it's very much like it's like rhinestones all over it, like black rhinestones. It's very pretty. Of course, obviously it's see-through, and the foot is covered, as you can see. Right, it's covered. This is the waist. The waist has a zipper on it. So the waist is not stretchy, really. So if you do feel like you want it stretchy, it will not work. There's a zipper at the back. But when I tried this on, I felt as though I was gonna rip. So like, if you're not careful, these will easily just like tear. Because my friend bought not these ones, but the mesh ones, and while she was wearing those, it ripped immediately, like as soon as she tried to try it on. And with these, taking it off was so hard because I was scared it was gonna rip. And keep in mind, I have bought clothes from other collaborators like Fendi and Skims, and I did get the Fendi and Skims pantyhose, and it did not feel as fragile as this right here. Like, this is very pretty. It comes with a matching top, but the matching top was sold out before I could purchase it. And these, I believe I paid $100 on this, and it was a medium, you know, but I don't think I'll keep this because I feel like this will easily rip, and I don't like purchasing items that are so like flimsy, you know, like you're wearing it and you're scared that you're going to rip it, and even if you're really careful, it will still end up just ripping apart, and I just cannot do it. So I'm gonna take this back, and yeah, I'll try it on for you so you see what I'm saying, you know. Like, even when I tried it on before, it wasn't comfortable because I feel as though as the rhinestones on it, it felt uncomfortable on my skin. It wasn't comfortable on my skin. I'm not sure why, but it just wasn't comfortable. Like, look at it. I'm just putting it on me. It's very pretty, but it's not comfortable, and it's very fragile. So this, again, not worth it. Okay, so now let's talk about this. So from everything I purchased, this was actually like my favorite item from the collection. So these I paid $100, $99, and this was in the size medium, and this has a Mugler written on it right here, and like silver. So this has like a turtleneck-ish look to it, like not quite a turtleneck, but it's a high neck, actually, I would say. So it's blue and black, and it has burgundy on it. And another thing I do like about this is that it's not see-through. So if you are one of those that wear body shapers like I like to wear, you are good to go, you know, because it's not see-through. And it does have a zipper on the back that goes all the way down. It has the little star zipper detail like the Mugler star, and it is long sleeve. I did try it on before. It's very long sleeve, so which I do like. And yeah, so let me show you the back. It's so cute. So I feel like from everything I purchased, this was actually my favorite, and you know, I'll be keeping this. The others could go, like this I'll be keeping. It's very much beautiful. So let me try it on, because you know that's our favorite part. Let me know what you think. So I would say, looking at it on screen, just looking at how it looks on my body, I do believe that this one is actually worth it. The fabric, it's not too thick, but because of the panels, even if you're supposed to wear a shaper in it, as I did in this video, it would not show as much because of the panels. It will distract you from seeing the shaper because it has all these lines and all these panels on it. So I believe this would work, you know. And yeah, and of course, you know, if you wear your shaper, it's not gonna show because it's not see-through compared to the regular Mugler tops. This one is not see-through, And yeah, and also I do have a problem where my sleeves stop like right here, but with these I do not have that problem. It comes all the way to my waist and even longer than my wrist. So this for me, I think, is a great buy. And yeah, so from everything from the H&M and Mugler collection, this was my favorite piece, and this one I will definitely be keeping. And I actually wanted the Mugler black blazer. That was actually the first thing I wanted, and that sold out so fast, and that was about $359 or so, and it sold out so fast. So yeah, so if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching, and thanks for sticking with me throughout this video. I love y'all, and mwah! I'll be catching y'all in my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.